Hi everyone, welcome to Patty's Polish Corner. Today I was sent by Melodysusie this nail lamp for review. They asked me if I wanted to review their products. I said yes, so they sent me this lamp, and you can find their website as melodysusie.com. So it's the EOS 6 LED and UV nail lamp. So here is the lamp and the cord and the instruction booklet. And this lamp is a 36 watt, and you can also, there's a switch on here to change it down to an 18 watt. Okay. This protective coating here. Ooh, this is very sleek looking. Now it doesn't have a bottom, which is not a bad thing because the bottom of my other lamp is like all messed up with nail polish. So this is actually kind of cool because I think you can just, if you get nail polish on your mat, you can just peel it up. You can just like put a cheap mat under there. So I'm kind of liking all of that. Here are the LED lights, and the instructions say that the lamp starts to work as a 36 watt by default. You press the T button over here, and it will go from 45 seconds, and then again to 90. Press it again for 90, and again for 120. And then if you want the 18 watt, it says to press the M button. So we will give this a go. I actually have a Melodysusie nail polish. I thought I had more, but this is the only one I have. So I was able to purchase a kit from Melodysusie. It was like a year or so ago, and it was after Christmas, and it was a Christmas set, so I only had to pay the shipping for it. So I guess that's where I only have the one polish that came in the set. But hey, this is actually a great time of year for this. It's a beautiful blue, and it looks like a shimmery metallic-y, so we're gonna have fun with this today. Here's the power cord, and this just kind of goes in. Whoops. There we go. Okay, so this kind of comes on and off. I'm not really sure why. I don't know. I actually don't know why. Anyway, I wonder if it's like a European supply thing. I don't know, but I thought those were like longer plugs. So let me see how long this thing is. So the cord is long enough for me to string it across the room and plug it in. Well, it's not that far. It's like a few feet, maybe 3 feet. So here are the controls. So it defaults to the 36 watt. And then you got the 45, the 90, and the 120. Okay. Oh, all right. It also has got, you can stick your hand in there and out, and it goes on. So that's pretty cool. And then you push this again, and you got your 18 watts. But all of my polishes cure on 36 watts. It's best to use that. So that's what we'll be using today. Okay, so this is the Party Queen collection, and it's number 3. And I went on the website. It doesn't look like the Party Queen collection is available any longer, but their polishes do come in 6-piece sets. I'll show you some pictures at the end of the video, and they're pretty reasonable. For the 6 pieces, they were $23.99 regular price, and these are a 12 ml bottle, so that is pretty decent. Now on the website, I believe this is a 1-step gel, and I did use the lamp already to set some polygel on my finger to do an overlay, and it works really well. It is a professional lamp, and it costs about, I think it was $36.99. So I'll put those links in the description box below. Okay, so here is one coat. And I'm just going to do this on all of my other fingers and cure it and come back for the second coat. Okay, this is a pretty sheer polish, so let's see what the second coat looks like. Okay, I believe it's definitely going to need 3 coats. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply the second coat and cure it, and then we'll come back for a third coat. Okay, we're going to go in for one more coat. There we go. So I'm going to finish that up and cure it and come back. Okay, well, it cures perfectly. This is a one-step gel, so there is no tacky layer on the tops of my fingers. The lamp is very nice. There is plenty of room to get your whole hand in here. 36 watt, so it's got a lot of LED lights in there. Cures LED and UV gel, and obviously it cures polygel too, so everything should cure polygel. So I really like this. I would definitely recommend checking out Melodysusie if you're interested in a light. They've got a wide range of lights for you to choose from. And this one is $36.99, and I do love this one. I got fingerprints all over it. Anyway, so I think this one will be on my desk, and I'll be using it in the next several videos or so. Anyways, that's all I have for this review. I hope you like it. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not one of my subscribers, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye for now. Okay, so this lamp, EOS 6, did an awesome job at curing my gel nail polish. And it did a great job of curing my polygel. It's wide enough for your whole hand to fit in there. Very, very roomy. There's lots of room in there. It's got little rubberized feet on the bottom so it won't slide off of your desk. Plenty of LEDs because it is a 36 watt. And you can make it go down to 18 watts. It's got the 45-second, 90-second, and 120-second timer. I really love this. Melodysusie also has a wide range of lights for you to choose from. But I really like this one, so I think I will continue using it. If you have any questions, let me know and I'll try to answer them. I will link all the information to melodysusie.com and this light in the description box below. Here are some pictures of the Melodysusie collections. They've got a lot of really nice colors. And here's the Luxe Classics collection. And then they have one more, the Timeless Muse collection. A lot of one-step gels. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not one of my subscribers, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.